There are two speakers in the door, one that mounts to the door panel, red arrow, and one that mounts to the door carrier, blue arrow. To access both of these, you first need to remove the door panel. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with that task. Starting on the speaker in the door panel, squeeze in on the clips on the wiring connection and separate them, indicated by the red arrows. Remove the two T20 Torx screws, red arrows. Lift the speaker out from the door panel. Replace or upgrade as needed. Installation is the reverse of removal. The other speaker is mounted to the door carrier. Begin by squeezing in on the electrical connector, red arrow, and separating them. Use a 5mm Allen and remove the 4 screws, red arrows. Use care, as once they are out, the speaker will be free and it is relatively heavy. You can now just lift the speaker out from the door carrier. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.